8 raised to the power x square upon 512 raised to the power x is equal to 4096. Find the value of x. So 8 raised to the power x square upon 512. Let's first factorize it. At the end of the 512 we have an even number. So this is divisible by 2. We can start dividing it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is carryover. Then this is 11. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 6 is 12. So this is how we divide. Again, 6 is an even number. We can divide it by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is carryover. Then this is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Keep dividing. Now 64 is also divisible by 8. We can either divide it by 2 or we can write it 8 times 8 is 64. Now we have 8 times 8 and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 512 we can write it as 8 raised to the power 3. So 8 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power x is equal to, now let's again factorize 4096. Now we don't know which number will divide 4096 exactly, but since at the units place again we have an even number, that means it is divisible by 2. So we start with the smallest number. So keep dividing. 2 times 2 is 4, 0, 2 times 4 is 8, it becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Now again we are here at 512 and we already know 512 is 8 cube. We just factorized 512 and this is 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 cube times 8, so 4096. This we can write it as 8 raised to the power 4. So write 4096 as 8 raised to the power 4. Whenever we have an equation where we have to find the value of x and the numbers are in the exponent form, we bring all the numbers with same base so that we can use this property a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n, where a is not equal to 0 or 1, then m is equal to n. Now again, there is an identity. If a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So 8 raised to the power x square minus, this will be 3 times x, 3x, because a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m times n is equal to 8 raised to the power 4. Now using this property, we can write here x square minus 3x is equal to 4, or we can write x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation here. We can factorize it. X square minus 3x we can write minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now take x as common and here 1 parenthesis x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 times x minus 4, 2 factors is equal to 0. Now we have two solutions for x. Now we have two solutions for x. When x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. When x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So x is equal to minus 1 or 4. Two solutions for x. Let's verify these answers. When x is equal to minus 1, let's substitute the values of x in this question. So 8 raised to the power minus 1 square upon 512 raised to the power minus 1. We have to check whether it is equal to 4096 minus 1 square. This means minus 1 times minus 1. So this will be positive 1. When minus is outside the bracket and then 1 is squared, then this is equal to minus 1. But since minus is inside the bracket, it will be positive 1. So it will be 8 raised to the power 1. 512 we know it's 8 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 1. That will be 8 raised to the power minus 3, or we can write here 8 raised to the power 1 minus 3, because a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. or 8 raised to the power 4 is equal to 4096. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. When x is 4, in that case we have 8 raised to the power 4 square upon 512 raised to the power 4. This is 8 raised to the power 16 upon 4 square is 16. 512 is 8 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 4. Check whether it is equal to 4096, or 8 raised to the power 16 minus 12 is equal to 4096. 8 raised to the power 4 is equal to 4096. LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. How did you solve the question? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.